please allow me to do something in return.
No.
You're our guest. I'm an old woman and a stubborn one. If you don't allow my meatloaf to be the main course, I won't stay.
Bye.
Do I love Florida's meatloaf?
Oh, this is not Florida's meatloaf tonight. Oh, I brought it down and made it myself.
I've had second thoughts about dinner. You know, it's a sin to waste food, even though it is burned. Besides, the charcoal is good for my teeth, keep them white. Bon appetit, y'all.
The Lord is my German shepherd and...